All right. I'm just making sure that everything is set up. Let's see if I'm live. I'm live. Okay. Time to put that chat up again that I can't, it's saying that I can't see chat. Wait, let me actually, let me see if, I can see chat. I think I'm gonna have to just like pull up my own stream and mudded this stream. And let me, okay, so I can see stream now. Okay, I also got to make sure that y'all can't hear my music on YouTube. All right, let's get the rest of this shit set up. Waiting for this shit to stop on my TikTok because I have a 15-minute timer. So, because I'm gonna doom scroll for a little bit. Still just making sure y'all can't hear the music. Let me lower it just like a little bit. That should be good. Can also unplug this. Okay, what date was I on? Tried backtesting on my laptop, bro. That shit was hella annoying. I was just waiting for my TikTok shit to pause or unpause, and then I can then I'll start. Actually, I'll just start now while this shit just does its thing. Oh, there we go. I also gotta set this up, bro. Bro. Oh, 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 oh. All right, now I need to connect my phone to my lap or to my teeth. Whoa. To not move stop losses, to use risk management, to not blow funders, to not buy any courses, to not be a TikTok. Holy shit. What the fuck? Wait, let me reset. That was really loud. I just saw Epstein trading on TikTok. That's crazy. I didn't know the big Steen be trading. I got too much shit on the screen. All right, let me just stop like Alright, I think everything is like set up now. Okay, I think the music is good. Y'all can't hear the music. Let me just double check. Alright, yeah. We also, okay. Heard of all this. We already took all this. There's this daily gap right here. Shit, what did I do? Okay, never mind. Same thing here. Alright, now I'm ready to start. We have this daily down here as well that we could be targeting. We are in bearish market structure. Traded into this 4-hour gap. And then we got sell power out. So making me, we didn't tap into it on NASDAQ. Let me, hold on. I don't want to accidentally miss anything. Is this muted? It is muted, Edward. You know what? Fuck that. Let's just get into it, bro. Bro, I should just be doing this. I'll just deal with that later. Because I already have everything set up with this. Alright, so we've already taken London session on both indexes. Oh, my shit's not on loop. Yeah, loop. Wait. Shuffle, that's what it's called. I'm dumb as fuck, bro. So we tapped into this 15. What's this? I gotta have this over here. This here. Shit. Right. Is this connected? Okay, yeah. Okay. So yeah, we tapped into this 4-hour. What's the news? Okay, we have 10 a.m. news this day. 10 a.m. right there. Still just making sure my shit doesn't start playing on my mic for YouTube. I'd like to see some movement to the downside to validate this 4-hour. Well, yeah, to validate this 4-hour on ES. We don't have this on NASDAQ though. Bro, what a bot. Motherfucker said I'm supporting the first 5 people who message me. Bot! Fuck out of here. I thought it was picking up on my mic. I was about to start losing it. No, but we chillin'. I just gotta forget about that. If it picks up on my mic on YouTube, then it's whatever. I don't give a shit. What key levels do we have? I mean, we have this. Yeah. So we take this high on ES or on NASDAQ, but not on ES. All right. It looks like the 1 minute is gonna be looking. 2 minute is looking nice. This is where I would like to take my inverse. Unless we just start ripping. If we tap into this 4-hour, it'd be pretty ideal. Ooh, we also, bro, I'd be forgetting that we have fucking news. Alright. So we have a big push up. We take out this liquidity. We don't take out previous session high. Same thing with this. So we don't get a candle closure below. Shit, wrong thing. I'm dumb as hell. I do think we could manipulate into this 4-hour gap just because it's unfilled, and we did tap into, I think, a daily. Yeah, we're respecting a daily. Respecting a daily fair value gap. Where the fuck is it on this? Alright, well, we're respecting it on ES, or NASDAQ, I mean. So, what time does this candle close? Oh, in a minute. Gonna wait for news to drop. Alright, we do have a 5 minute. So I'll wait for that. If I want to continue to be bullish. Alright. News drops. It was bullish. Oh shit. So yeah, I'd like to see this 5 minute get inversed. Which it's going to right now. I'm going to target that 4 hour. Stop loss above here. I don't care if it's a 1-to-1. It's all I need. And then I'll break even after we tap. We do have this liquidity. We have this liquidity. I'll break even once we hit this first one. Because that's a point of reversal. Alright, so let me start. Let me get rid of this as well. Oh shit, right. Let me make this bigger for you guys. Oh, you guys can't even see it like that. You guys can't. I don't even think you guys. Oh, fuck. I know YouTube can't see what I'm typing because my shit is tweaking, but I don't know if TikTok is going to be able to see it. Zam. Alright, yeah, so we just get the push up and then we just start. Wait. Yeah, so we. Okay. We didn't take anything besides this. We could just be getting an open high, low close. not expecting this to get inverted. But we could get a tap back into this area. Here's this inversion on the 1 minute. Yeah, we don't inverse this one right here. You just get to tap into this 5 minute right here. If I want to continue being bearish, I'd like this to get inverse. Okay, this 5 minutes about to get inverse. We just took some liquidity. News was bullish. We are going to get this 5 minute inverse. Did we take this low? Alright, yeah, we took the low on ES. We don't have an SMT that formed. We have one to the downside though. Swing high, swing high. So I'm not gonna take a long. I'm gonna be looking for a short. I'm gonna look for a tap into this, and then maybe some reaction off of it. This 1 minute gets inversed, which it does. Same with this 2 minute. This 3 minute got nullified. Yeah. Very small, minute gap in the market, but it's still a gap that gets inversed. It's very small, but that shit's still gonna get inversed. Could be having an open high, low close shit going on. I should just take like a 1-to-1, not gonna lie. What's this? So this is 1 minute liquidity, 1 minute liquidity. Break even right here, take some profits, second profits. Shit, I'm dumb as hell. Let me compensate a bit more. Because we could tap back into this 5 minute. There. What the fuck? Okay. De-risk. Save and journal. Feeling more confident about this trade, not gonna lie. Just because we do have the SMT. We got the push down. We tapped back into a 5 minute. SMT at... We still have a bunch of session liquidity that's untouched. Tap into... Wait, what's... TV draw. Do we also like rebalance this range? We did. We definitely got a fib retracement in that bitch. Tap into the 79% or 70%. We don't, but we did get close to it. Oh, we didn't even inverse that. Oh, oh shit. Um, we did inverse this 1 minute though. Yeah, I'm probably cooked on this trade. Yeah. I thought we were about to inverse that. I should have looked at the time. I'm not gonna re-enter it just because I already lost what I made the other day. So yeah, if I entered off this 1 minute getting inversed, I probably would have just gotten cooked. What the fuck? Okay. And plus, it's not. Yeah, it's not even a 1-to-1. All right, next session. Well, oh shit, I didn't even. Okay, so we did end up tapping into that daily gap, but it just wasn't when I thought it was. Shit. Oops. I need to get rid of that. Yeah, so we did tap into this daily gap. We do have a high time frame. Oh well, that was Thursday. I mean, shit, but still, we got a high time frame SMT that happened. Take this low on Nasdaq, not on ES. So it's just when. All right, yeah. So if I knew that, I definitely probably would have been looking for longs. I mean, I was looking for longs, but like, whatever, whatever. So we got equal lows right here at this 4-hour gap, which is pretty nice. Asia session. London session, we just fucking ripped. That was also... Do we have a new week gap? No new week gap. Nope. Nope. Alright, so we do push up all the way to this new, or this daily fair value gap, which is making me want to lean bearish, but at the same time, we could have just, same time we have the SMT at the low, but we could have already completed it. I think we already did, because we did get some sell power, but we kind of just pushed back up. We did tap into a 1 hour. What the fuck? Bro, I don't want that. I gotta have this thing right next to my shit. Because I keep pressing escape. And it's not fucking getting rid of it. We did make equal lows right here as well. Equal lows. That's too fair. Oh, okay. So we do, bro. We do push above the high. I'm low-key expecting some reversal going on. We also have 9:15 PMI. Or 9:15, 9:45. It was bearish. It was bearish. I am expecting some sort of reversal to go on. The only real clear fair value gap is this 2-minute. So if we see that shit get fucking pushed below, bruh, we entering. Okay, 10 a.m. candle just opened. Bro, what is this fucking price action? Just waiting patiently. There's nothing really that happened. Kind of just straight choppage, bro. I am expecting some sort of reversal to go on. Unless it just fucking doesn't happen New York session. Okay, we have this 2-minute inverse. It is about to get inversed. Did we take any key liquidity? Nope. We're just inside of this daily. We do have all of this liquidity that just has been built up. We have this unfilled gap, London lows, Asia session, and then we literally just have all this built up liquidity, bro. Unless we're just gonna push up this session. But low key, I think we might just start to reverse. We are inversing this 2-minute. Is there an SMT? No. Unfortunate. We are inversing this 1 minute though on ES. Ah, yeah, fuck it, I'm taking it. I'll just take it to this 5 minute because it's already high risk reward. So I don't really want to be in it for too long. Even though I could probably just milk the shit out of it. It is what it is. Yeah, we're in this daily and we're in a 4-hour. Yeah. What was it? 2 minute? Oh no. Oh, my mic could definitely hear the music, bro. Ain't no way. I gotta lower it. Alright, let's let this play out. Brother. Okay. I should have waited for an SMT to form because we literally just formed it. Let's see. Let me Alright. Yeah, so I need to start using SMTs consistently in my trades. Let's just see what happens. Whatever. Let's see what fucking happened. Oh, yeah, would you look at that? 11 a.m. fucking reverses. Motherfucker, bro. And we go down and we don't take the equal lows though, but that shit, this shit's OD. We are getting reaction out of the daily for value gap. Still have these equal lows. We still have this 1 hour. Now it's a 4 hour. We have these 4 hour gaps. Holy shit. Anthony is spamming the live with likes again. So we have these equal lows plus this 4 hour fair value gap. We have this 4 hour fair value gap. Motherfucker, bro. We have these previous Asia session lows. We have this hourly fair value. Oh, fair value gap. Shit, bro. Wait, never mind. I see. How we look in this session? Are you talking about like actual session or this backtesting session? Like simulated funded. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down 490. This is like a fresh eval. Yeah, nah, some of these were like, one of them was a dumbass mistake. I entered off of a 2 minute getting inverse, but it didn't get inversed. I just didn't look at the time right, so I entered before it got inversed, and then I got cooked. Alright, yeah, we don't have any Asia session liquidity going on. Liquidity. I'd like to see a reaction off of this hour fair value gap in this daily fair value gap. We have 10 a.m. news. What the fuck? Fuck you. Brad put the fucking nerd emoji in. Fuck you. The fuck is that? Is that... Oh, it's a guy wearing a monocle, bro. What the fuck? Bro thinks he's studious. Yeah, this is the manipulation leg that I was looking for. We tap into this 1 hour gap on NASDAQ, on NQ, but not on ES. We also have this. What's this? Oh, that's the Asia session. This is the Asia session high. We already take it. Perfect. I'm not gonna enter this early into market. Bro, why are you spamming emojis? It doesn't even make any sense. You put a fucking orangutan. Okay, we're just gonna dick down. We're just gonna keep dicking down. Do I take the 30-second inverse? What did we just tap into? Oh, we just pushed out of the daily. No. It's looking super good though. It's too good not to take. I'll pull up the position tool. And we'll just see what happens. I'm not gonna take it, but... Oh, would you look at that? Oh, I would have broke even. And, okay. Oh, fuck you, bro. Alright, yeah, let's see us tap into this 5 minute and then get a reaction off of it. What the fuck? Not 22 minutes, bro. Bro, why isn't this shit with no? Oh. What the fuck? Alright, this 3 minute is probably what I'm gonna end up taking. If we inverse it. Still have a bearish bias. We don't inverse it yet. Bro, what the fuck is that? Mm, mm, mm. Should have taken this, bro. I'm just gonna wait. News drops and we fucking dick down. Bro, this would have been the easiest shorts of a lifetime. We have, bro, 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 bro. I wasn't gonna enter because news was just about to drop. And plus it's really far down from where I would usually have my stop loss. But, fuck. Alright, well, I pretty much missed my move. But we'll see if anything else presents itself. We start pushing. Nope. We start pushing up. And now why isn't... Bro. Holy shit. Yeah, we just fucking plummeted. What was news even? It's fucking bullish. What the fuck? Am I on the right date? I am. Bro, I was trying to have small talk with the viewers. Bro, I was trying to have small talk with the fucking viewers. Oop, I dropped my thing. I found my thing. Nobody's staying. But I don't really care. It's not that big of a deal. I'm just backtesting and enjoying myself. Help TikTok grow. Yeah, no, I feel you. It'll grow eventually. Once I'm profitable, then I'm just gonna spam. Just a bunch of brain rot. I'm just gonna spam a bunch of brain rot once I'm profitable. Alright, so we have this 5-minute gap right here. I'd like to see us trade in and then trade lower. With this 2-minute getting inversed. So the 2-minute and the 1-minute is gonna get inversed. Is there? Oh shit, I'm slipping. You gotta get the dual cam. The fuck is the dual cam? Oh, but there's this 4-minute. Talking back test. So they see you, all the people that TikTok is going to. Yeah, no, I would have to do that through my computer. And plus, whenever I did do it on my computer, I got a fucking violation. It's like, bro, fuck you. I think I'm gonna take this. What's in the background? What? Eric Cartman. Eric Cartman. Oh, what's in the, like, the music? No, bro, I've seen people play music on TikTok Live, bro. Oh, the background of my camera. There's nothing. Oh shit, it's raining. I got my big ass squeaky boots on, bro. I'm gonna take the highest time frame inversion, which is this 4-minute. And even though we are pushing past pretty much all of the liquidity that I would want to be seen taken, I'm still gonna take it, bro. Nice clean 4-minute inversion. I'll have my stop loss right above that. Bro, it's such shitty risk reward. I shouldn't even be taking this. Let me look for more draws on liquidity. Oh, but the fucking 4-hour gap right here, bro. Yeah, we do have the 4-hour gap right here. So we could trade lower, but we could just fucking tap into it and just reverse. I'm not gonna take this. We're too close to my draws on liquidity. I'm not even gonna take a trade. Okay, so we tap into this 5-minute. We're probably gonna get some more downwards movement, but it's past what I would usually be trading. Let me go 8 a.m. because we have a bunch of news. We have NFE, NFEC. Oops, wrong thing. Who are you sharing the live to? Yeah, so we pushed straight past this 4-hour low, or 4-hour gap. Same with this 4-hour gap. We definitely inversed it. And then we have a new 4-hour gap, untouched. We have a new 4-hour gap. End up taking that. That's that 4-hour gap. This is that daily gap that we ended up respecting. I think I'm gonna assume we're bearish now. Just because we had strong movement out of this daily candle or daily fair value gap. Oh, streaming to no one now. It's whatever. I really could give a shit. Okay, so that 4-hour is also PM session. Type shit. London. We end up taking PM session as well. We take this low. Oh wait, it's not even. Oh yeah, bro, I forgot. You know what? Fuck it. I don't know. I don't really give a shit. All right, so we trade into this 15-minute gap, which is now an hour gap that we end up trading into. Thumbs up. Party popper, 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 party popper. Type shit. Alright, I'm expecting us to go lower. We did tap into this hourly gap. We probably have untouched news lows. 8:15 data. Oh shit. Copy, paste. 8:15 and 8:30. We already come down. We're taking it already. We have these relative equal lows right here. Alright, yeah, I'm expecting us to go down. We got reaction off of a daily gap. We're getting reaction off of this hourly. Did we create a SMT pre-market? No. I thought we did for a second. And then we have 10:30 news as well. What the fuck? What the fuck? ES is moving way cleaner than fucking NQ over here. And we do have the manipulation. We have the manipulation. This high to this. Now, we're inverting this 1 minute. We tap back into the hour. I know it's really far stop loss. But it's whatever. I think we could just end up going lower. What's this? Okay, that's just pre-market. Stop loss above the SMT. Brother. Save and journal. Alright, let's see this bitch play out. Alright, so we take data lows. Now we could just reverse, but I'm still expecting us to go down. I should have broke even at data. It faked me out. Jewish fake out. Jewish fake out over here, bro. Jewish fake out right here, bro. You see this shit? You see this shit? SMT holding strong. Now, once we hit 1-to-1, I'm moving my shit to break even. Don't stop me out now. No! My kind of terminology. Oh, bro, I definitely should have moved my shit to break even. Because we just retested these lows. Oh shit, Steve's in the live. What's good, Steve? I'm still expecting us to be bearish. Oh shit, hold on. Okay, there we go. Fish whistled. Thanks for the fucking follow. Oh wait, I gotta... Holy shit, I'm autistic as hell. Still am bearish. No, I'm just gonna wait for news to drop low key. I still feel like this high. Wait, I have the right time frame. I am okay. I still feel like this will be bearish. So if I'm gonna enter, I'd enter off the 3-minute getting inverse, which is now. I'm already down almost a band on this. I need to fix some shit with my trading, not gonna lie. We aren't anywhere near this getting inverse on ES. Why is it so goddamn bright on TikTok, bro? Whatever. Yeah, I'm still bearish. I'm gonna see what happens. I'll compensate more. We already took data lows, so fuck data lows. Original TP. Recent liquidity. Recent 1 hour liquidity. Then I'll break even right at this. Yeah, I'll break even at this low. Could get manipulated out though, because NASDAQ is the lagging one. So I don't really feel confident about it. Hey, but that's what backtesting's for. Retest of SMT. So hourly get. My Euro slash USD is retesting and looking good so far on the 50-minute time frame. I'm gonna just not look elsewhere. Are you talking like live market right now, or are you backtesting right now? I mean, I don't really be trading Forex anymore. I used to. I started off on Forex. I'm pretty sure most of us started off on Forex. Live market, yeah, type. I'll take a peek at it. I missed out on crazy opportunities today with fucking futures. Euro, USD, Forex. I'm gonna get into futures after Forex or do both. I need to expand my financial literacy. Dude, Forex is low key not the wave right now. You're way better off just doing the switch to futures. Way more opportunities. I'm gonna assume you're in a short just by looking at this. Nope, in a buy. What do you trade? Like what's your like what like smart money concepts, order flow? Are you a quant trader? You never know though. You never know. Are you supply and demand? Let me let this shit play out. Are you support and resistance? I trade by volume. I keep up to date on news that impacts the currency I trade. Type shit. Support and resistance. Okay, yeah. I figured. This shit looking bearish to me. We tapped into a 15-minute. I trade smart money concepts, by the way. But everyone's different. Everyone learns different. Yeah, if I was entering, I would have waited for this shit getting inversed. But I don't even be trading Asia session. And I don't be trading Forex. I would have caught these two beautiful bangers. If only I wasn't taking a shit. I had to take a shit mid-market, bro. Or pretty much towards the end. And I was like, you know what, bro? I'm just not even going to worry about it anymore. Next thing you know, 5-minute inverse, 5-minute tap back into a 5-minute fair value gap. And yeah. We ended up tapping into this new week open. And then I literally could have taken this. But I don't be trading PM session. Yeah, I wanted to get into Forex 3 years ago. Now I finally am, but futures are very promising, less of a gamble. Yeah, futures are low key the method right now, bro. Forex in 2020 fucking 2 and 3, bro, that shit was the method. But now it's kind of just like, well, to me personally, it's kind of just shitty. I gotta let this trade play out. Alright, well, we tapped into that. Move my shit break even. And plus, there's so much volatility. New York session with futures. Low key insane. I didn't know you can trade this late. I'm back testing. But you can trade this late. You can trade pretty much anything this late on the weekdays. Market doesn't close until it closes at 5 every day, reopens at 6, but it closes from 5 on Friday and then opens Sunday at 6. So you can trade at any time, but like with futures, like US indices, you want to be trading New York time. So like New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30. That's when people are legally like allowed to buy, like institutions, banks, just all that. I'm gonna compensate. I'm gonna move my stop loss and profit $200. Actually, no, I don't ever do that. I work a 9 to 5. It's hard for me to trade New York session. I feel you. I don't work a 9 to 5, but like when I do have work, it gets in the way of trading. So sometimes I can't even take a trade. I'm expecting us to hit full profit, bro. We have 8:30 news. Tapping into a 5-minute. Alright, I broke even. Oh, I low-key forgot to take profits on the first TP. It's whatever. Still a good trade. Ended up breaking even. Break even day's better than nothing. Oh wait, no, I lost that day. What was news? It was bearish. I want to see if we would have hit full profit. No. Would have gotten stopped out. No news Thursday. Holy fucking barcode. What the fuck? We are respecting this hour gap though. But that could change. My phone's at like 16. I have the same Cartman type shit, bro. Fuck. Cartman. Got that shit from Christmas, bro. Where'd you get yours? I got it from Christmas for it was like a present. It was like a stocking stuffer. I didn't even ask for it. And it was like a mystery box and it was like pretty much a gamble. And I was low key praying I got Cartman and then I ended up getting Cartman. Shit was valid. I felt the package and I felt it was like a big fat body. So I was like, oh yeah, that's fucking Cartman, bro. How you learn trading? Well, I started with TJR and then I kind of just turned from TJR to PB trades. You've probably heard about them if you're in the trading space. Their shit makes so much sense. I'm pretty sure a lot of people like nowadays who are getting into trading started with TJR because he got real popular real quick. Are you profitable? Nope, not yet. I've been FOMOing, or I've been missing out on so many good opportunities, and the thing it like this is my first this is my second week on a eval. First eval. I've been demo trading for way too long, and I low key should have just pulled the trigger and started funded trading earlier because I got way too used to like the money not being real. Low key fucked with my psychology, but What can you do? Except move on and adapt. I just realized we completely skipped over. It's not a bank holiday. Oh. It wasn't a bank. Yeah, bro. That shit's cooked, bro. Looks like I'm gonna have to go to the next session. Who do you think best NQ trader is? Well, I don't know a lot of traders. I know a few, but there's also people who are unknown and are literally just hitting bangers. Personally, I think Powell, he's pretty crazy with trading. Oh my god! Am I even on the right day? Okay. No, but yeah, back to that question. I think Powell is low key because he'd be bottom ticking and top ticking. So I low key want to learn some rejection block. I want to learn more about the rejection block. I've taken some back testing trades with a rejection block and it low key hits, but I need to have a better understanding of it. Yeah, we got data highs. I'd like to see us trade up to those. Or that data high. Really early into market, I could take this inverse, but I could just get fucked. We could take data lows or data highs, I mean, and then just start plummeting. Just because we have been bearish this whole time. We did tap into this 1 minute. All right, yeah. There's no clear break even point. This could make or break this. What is it called? Backtesting session. I gotta take my boots off, bro. Oh no, I can't. I gotta go take the trash out after this. Untouched. Data highs. It's really early into market, so I could get completely fucked. I'm gonna skip by the 1 second. Let's see. Yeah. 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 Let's just stop me out. If we're gonna stop me out, don't edge me. Oh! We're so close to my stop loss. This is gonna fucking. I'm gonna get cooked right here. Knew it. I should have waited for more confirmation. Um, I gotta be more strict with backtesting, not gonna lie, because this is low key fucking with my psychology. I'm just gonna restart, bro, because I already know I'm gonna blow this shit. I'll just take one more trade. We are about to inverse a 3 minute after we got to push down, but I'm not gonna enter. I'm gonna wait for significant liquidity to be swept. Like this low get taken. Okay, so we take that low, we form a 10 a.m. candle, where we form the we just started forming the new 4 hour. So now low key I would like to see us start pushing up. Little whip. Oh yeah, what's good, George, bro? Whipped it, bro. Backtesting or what? Yeah, but it's getting late, so I'm gonna be hopping off soon. I'm just gonna either blow this backtesting account or completely reverse the odds and end up fucking taking a massive dub. It's only 8. Yeah, I know. It's 8:30 right now, and I gotta take the trash out, and then I'm gonna start heading to bed, bro. It's getting past my bedtime, and my phone's at 12, so that shit's about to die. And plus, how long have I been live for? An hour and 30. Does not feel like an hour and 30. It feels like only 15 minutes. That's crazy, bro. You have this hour gap. I wanted to get into NQ this week. I know I said futures later, but I'm taking Forex more serious. Any NQ tips? Um, well, be on the market at 9:30 or before 9:30. There's gonna be a lot of volatility, and low key just look into PB trading because their methods are low key valid. Let it play out a little bit. Get an inverse on the 1 minute. We're about to get a 5 minute inverse, and we have 15 minute, 15 minute fit, and an hour for value gap, and we have data highs all the way up here. Yeah, I should wait though. I should wait for an SMT to form. You're right. Oh, I should have went with my gut. Ah, bruh. Let me see. Yeah, bro. Straight would have taken profit right here. First TP. $100 equals 50,000 TikTok coins. Why is that your username? Yeah, so I would have taken profits right there. We just tapped into a significant liquidity pool. We tapped into here, which was untouched for a while. Well, pretty much that whole week. Untouched. Wait, that wasn't the 1 minute? You were on the 5 minute? Yeah. I was on the 5 minute. 5 minute inversion after sweeping this low. And then this is the 10 a.m. candle. Open low, close high. Bro, this shit would have been golden. I should have went with my gut. It's all good, bro. It's just back testing. And then I would have gotten broken even just now. Did we break even? Oh, okay, yeah. It's all good, bro. I was married to the bias, bro. I wanted these data highs to get taken. Let me just skip. I just hit the treadmill for like an hour, bro. Sweating like crazy. Bruh. I hate fucking running. I hate running, bro. But if I have to run, bro, you will not catch my ass, bro. I can run in these big ass boots I got on. It's not even that bad, bro. I got lungs of like an 80-year-old man. Oh yeah, my shit's starting to lag. My PC has definitely been on for way too long. Guaranteed I'm catching up to you. Nah. I get it. Bro, I got long ass legs, bro. I can run fast as hell. I take big ass strides. I'm done back testing for now. I'll probably just, yeah, no, I'm done for today. I'm gonna end the YouTube live. Let me, should I do like an outro? Alright, guys, that was my backtesting session. 1 week's worth of backtesting done in an hour and 30 minutes. Ba-bang! Peace out.